Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made this mini handbag card. This is L. It's pretty small, so let's get right into it. So I was using this set that I got from Handmade to do my handbag card. And this is how it looks. I broke it, so I have to use a tape to hold it together so it can cut out properly. Right here I have all my pieces already cut, and I'm going to score them. So my double-sided tape is on, and I'm going to add some glue around those edges that do not get tape. Make sure that it's lined up. Here you go. Envelope, like hinge. Finish the edge on that side. There you go. And you want to glue these down. Glue the flaps down on the inside. So I'm gonna glue down these flaps, and I will be right back with you guys. So right here I add those two down. I will till they're dried. I could use my backs already put together, and I cut out a piece of glitter paper that I'm gonna put right here, and then I'm gonna glue that together, and I will be right back. So I added that, and then I will be adding this on the top. Edge. So here you have it, back side, front side. Now I'm going to add my handles. I'm going to add the front one, so you guys can see, and then I'm going to add the back one. Off camera, I'm going to use my glue gun for this one. Right here, other one over here. There you go. Here you have it. I'm gonna add this one, and I will be right back. Here you have it, front and back. I added some gold diamonds back here. I don't know if I want to add it here too. Let's see after I'm done decorating this with all of these little pieces right here. And this one goes. And then I'm gonna put on these. So I'm gonna glue those on, and I will be right back. I'll get those on, and then I will be adding some more things. So these pieces are gonna go right here. I'm gonna glue those down. These other little pieces go right here. Just like that. And then we're gonna have our envelope. We're gonna have our closure right here, and then this on top. So I'm gonna do that, and I will be right back, and then you will see the finished product. Okay, I forgot about my closures, so I can put it right here. I think that looks in it. And I have it. Close it, stick it down. Then I'm gonna be adding this over it. Yeah, I think the closure is showing though, since it's light. I don't like sunshine, but part of it is light, so I think it's okay. So we're not done yet, and I'm going to add this little tiny flowers that I got from BB Craft a while back. I didn't know what to do with these flowers, so now I'm using them. I'm gonna get my glue gun. I want to put the glue gun, and I will be having it just like so. So I'm gonna finish decorating it. I think one of these handbag handle is taller. I'm gonna finish adding right here and here and here and here, and then I will be done. So this is the finished product. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell your friends and loved ones about Willoz Creation YouTube channel. See you in the next. I'm out.